Hi, hey everybody on YouTube. Today is Friday. Yeah, today's Friday, September 7th, about 9:32 in the morning. Look up around the top left corner, you see we're at Clifton Gorge State Nature Preserve. And you see that nice little painting there with the people, and the butterfly, and the birds, and the flowers. So over here, you can see that the sign says, now entering Clifton Gorge State Nature Preserve, stay on designated trails, pets prohibited. And then over here on the right hand side, we got some various signs here. So you can see here's some trails, they're not very long. So we'll walk several of these and see what we can do. But so far the trail's actually starting out paved. And it's very green, as you can see. Kind of dull and gray today, but other than that. Alright, so as I run across something normal, I'll show you what we see, and I'll add that. As when we did John Bryan the other day, which will be the last video you would have seen, today the humidity is the opposite. It was 3,000% that day, today it's like 0 so far. So, yeah, so far definitely much better. So I'll see you on the next clip. Alright.
Water right here.
Yeah, it's definitely some of it.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to do this little nature trail here. See these stairs? Got some mesh or something on them. So we're going down these steep stairs. Do you hear that water? That's what we're trying to work towards. This is pretty rocky here, as I'm sure you can see. A little bit wet. A little bridge. See that little sign? See the rock here? Some nice rock formations down through here. And down here is the river. This is the noise that you're hearing.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, see, look, there's a series of falls right here, right there,
Yeah.
literally a bunch down there.
Yeah.
So that's actually probably the source of a lot of the noise, actually.
Exactly.
And this is going down towards that area, so let's keep cruising. Inside of this tree.
Yes, it is. Deep.
Isn't that weird?
Look how long it's been there. The tree's kind of cleaning it.
Yeah. Look at all this moss and these rocks and how tall these babies are. So this is pretty cool. It's a huge rocky area. And look at all that green and stuff. Ain't that nice? I think it is. And here, let's stop and...
Oh,
Alright, you see the water here?
oh,
Yeah, just stand back here. You know, don't get to the edge, but
yeah.
I'm just getting a shot of the river from above. That's very nice.
That's what makes it sound like.
Oh, yeah.
The level of the rock is coming over.
I like it. And here we got a little tiny bridge just to take us around this tree. Yeah. Yeah, that's a big boy.
There's another one that's got the story down. Wow.
Show you the size of the tree to a human.
Yeah.
Hey, rock climbing's prohibited.
Yeah.
Just thought I'd tell you.
No danger of me climbing out.
Yeah, you never know.
Walk some climbing these stairs.
Wow, that's a big stick there.
Yeah.
So huge.
Yeah.
Here, look, as I'm standing here, look at the trees. Hey, look at the trees growing up out of the side.
Yeah, exactly.
Growing sideways.
Out there's young family guys,
Crazy.
as you see. Wow.
All right. Okay, and now here, we're more or less beside the river. There's some of the waterfall right there. I'll show that from doing this.
Is that right there where the sun might be shining?
It looks like it, yeah. It's getting awful light.
Yeah, it is.
Vegetation restoration area. Please do not enter. Okay, just continue to show you some of that river. We're walking down through here. these big rock cliffs.
He's telling it. Look at how big that tree is growing out of there. Look at that.
Yeah, look at that one. Gee whiz. Wow. That's insane. So what we have here is a slump block cave. I don't know if you can read all this or not, but you can pause it and read it to try. It's so glimmery there.
Got a bug crawling across it.
Yeah. And up here is exactly what they're talking about. Let's get a good look at this from here. Here we go. There's your nice view of it right there. Oh, see that lake in there? Nice dark, just this little slit right here. And then, right over here, check it out. Pretty cool. Okay, so we've come to this overlook, and you see, got a really nice view of this waterfall. And you can see how that's running through there, that big log across the water down there. And then these two trees framing it right in front of us. And how it just runs down like that. And then right over here, you can see there's a nice crevice over there with all kinds of fallen trees, rocks and things. Pretty cool, right? I really like that view. That is so nice. Alright, so we've run across a friend here. Let me show you. There you got a really good view of our friend. Yeah, let's see if we can get closer. That's his face right there. He's smiling. Look at him. He's as happy as a bug on a tree. And he ain't even on a tree, but he thinks he is. There's a nice side view of him. So I'm being told that he's predicting a bad winter. We'll find out. Alright, so we've actually come to where John Bryan ended the other day. So it's been in a previous video you would have seen. You can see it says now leaving Clifton Gorge State Nature Area and entering John Bryan State Park. So just to show you, if you remember, that's the trail that we came down right there the other day. This is the bridge that we crossed, and I showed that to you on the previous video. There's that sign for the various trails, and over here you can see is the sign I showed you. It says now leaving John Bryan State Park and entering Clifton Gorge State Nature Preserve. So how wild is that?